Akili, 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 akili.
Animal alphabet. A is for ant. B is for bee. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for gorilla. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nightingale. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella bird. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for ox, at the end of ox. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. The end. Herufi za wanyama. A ni kwa akrabu. B ni kwa bundi. Ch ni kwa chura. D ni kwa duma. E ni kwa emu. F ni kwa fisi. G ni kwa gogota. H ni kwa hua. I ni kwa inzi. J ni kwa jogoo. K ni kwa kasuku. L ni kwa lynxi. M ni kwa mbuzi. N ni kwa nyani. O ni kwa orangutan. P ni kwa paka. R ni kwa ruba. S ni kwa simba. T ni kwa tembo. U ni kwa uduvi. V ni kwa vifaranga. W ni kwa wadudu. Y ni kwa yange yange. Z ni kwa zebu. Mwisho.
How to download an Ubongo app from the Play Store. Before you start, make sure that you have the device's owner's permission and that your data is on. You will also need a Google account. If you don't have one, ask for advice from a wise friend or a trustworthy phone repairer. From your phone's home screen, look for the Play Store icon and give it a tap. Tap the search bar and type the name of the app. Choose the app that you want. Ubongo is under all of the names of our apps. Tap on Install and wait. Once installed, tap Open. You've done it! Enjoy! If you liked the app, then come back and give a 5-star review. If not, then share your feedback.
Support Ubongo, the creators of Akili and Me, by donating through www.ubongo.org/donate.